Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Exploring CA Profiles. So today we have somebody from JP Morgan. So one of my friends, CA Bhavna Nathani, she is working in JP Morgan in the profile of commercial banking. So we'll ask her all the basic stuffs like how is the work-life balance, how is the scope, growth, increment, what exactly she do, how she got selected, what are the skills one need to possess. All these things we are gonna ask in this video. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, so first of all, welcome Bhavna to my channel. So my first question to you is, can you please give me your brief introduction? Like when did you clear your CA examinations and what did you join post qualification? How much experience do you have?
Thank you, Kavita, for inviting me. Hi, guys. I'm Bhavna Nathani. I'm from Bhopal. I completed all my studies from Bhopal itself. I cleared my CA final attempt in May 21. Currently, I'm working with JP Morgan in their commercial banking department. I got this opportunity through referral. One of my friends referred me in JP Morgan.
Okay, so great. Now, my next question to you is, can you please elaborate your role that like commercial banking? I don't have much idea about this. So what exactly do you do? What is your job description?
Commercial banking is typically providing private equity sponsors and investors with the banking and treasury products and credit products as well. Within commercial banking also there are different subsectors. So currently I'm working with financial sponsors group. My job profile is a middle office role wherein we generally don't get to interact with the clients directly. We source our work from front end employees from US. Okay. So we prepare pitches and decks for our clients, summarizing their relationships with their portfolio companies. We also prepare financial models for them. We also suggest them some M&A ideas, like if they want to acquire a company. So we suggest them what kind of companies they can acquire on the basis of their requirements and industry. So this whole process required a lot of research. So apart from that, we are also preparing financial models for our clients which require basic knowledge of valuation. So yeah, this is typically my job profile here.
Okay, that's great. That sounds quite interesting. So my next question to you is, how is the increment percentage in your industry? Like annual increment percentage, if you can quote a range, like this is the lowest and this is the highest you can get. Or if you are switching in your profile only, if you are switching to different company, then how much hike you can expect?
So as we all know that investment banks provide very lucrative packages to all of its employees. In terms of increment, we can expect somewhere between 15 to 20% increment annually. Apart from the fixed CTC, these investment banks also provide variable income in terms of bonus, which can again range from 15 to 20% and can go as high as 40% as well. It depends upon the performance of the employee. If I talk about if someone wants to switch, they can expect at least 20% hike from currently what they are earning.
Wow, that's too much. So, yeah, I have heard that initial packages of CA also differ in investment banking in comparison to other industries and Big Four. So, normally the average package of CA fresher is 8.5 to 10 LPA. That's what I understand. But in investment banking, I guess this package is higher. So, can you quote us the range, like if you are going as a fresher, as a CA fresher, then how much you can expect?
As a CA fresher, one can expect about 15 to 20% LPA in investment banking.
So that's great. So 15 to 20 LPA you can expect as a fresher in investment banking. It doesn't matter like you have a rank or how many attempts you have. So investment banking really have a very nice monetary growth. So but everything comes at a cost. So here comes my next question. How is the work-life balance in this profile?
Work-life balance, it depends. Like there are some days which are like very, very hectic. Like you have to work for 12 to 14 hours a day. But then there are some days also like where you can expect less work, which is generally during the festive season, like during December. If I summarize the working hours, so yeah, 10 to 12 hours is what minimum we have to spend. This is, I'm talking like minimum side. There are days when you have to like work off 15-20 hours as well.
Okay, 15 to 20 hours, that's too much. Here comes my next question then. So many of students like they aspire to join the investment bank after becoming chartered accountants. What are the skills they can possess and what they should read? In particular, which subject is very important in our CA final or CA inter to get the investment banking side, or in articleship also, in which domain we should work, or what are the interview questions when a CA fresher gives interview for the investment bank?
During interview, they'll test your basic knowledge about accounting, valuation, valuations. They'll ask you certain questions like what is the definition of EV, EBITDA. They'll also test your general knowledge on stock markets, like if there is any recent news of an IPO, merger and acquisition. Apart from that, there are a lot of mental maths questions which are being asked, like multiplication of certain numbers, riddles, etc. So these questions are asked just to test your presence of mind and how well you perform in the pressure situation. If I talk about subjects of CA finals, then definitely SFM is one of the subjects which can help CAs to brush up their knowledge on the concepts of valuations, merger and acquisitions, corporate financing. Apart from that, FR is also very, very important to gain knowledge on accounting fundamentals. These all concepts are practically being used when you are working within the team. So you have to be thorough with all the financial concepts. So in terms of skills, one should be very thorough with all the office products, especially the Excel and PPT. Apart from that, conceptual knowledge is very, very important. One needs to know the financial concepts and accounting concepts very, very nicely.
Okay, thank you so much. This will really help the audience. So my next question is, are you happy and satisfied with your job, or in future you want to change your profile?
Yeah, definitely. I'm happy with my job profile. Currently, there are no plans to switch, but in future, of course, I would like to explore more options within IB only, like working with core IB teams, or maybe switching to front end roles wherein I'll get an opportunity to interact with clients directly. So yeah, these can be there.
Yeah, so that's actually a very good point. Investment banking itself have a lot of opportunities and lot of profiles. So you can switch in those profiles only, and you like you can pursue your whole career in investment banking. You will never get bored. So that's a very good point. Okay, so I guess I have asked pretty much all the questions which I had, and thank you so much, Bhavna, for attending this interview. This is really very valuable to the people who want their career in investment banking.
Okay, thank you, Kavita, for inviting me. And if any of you guys have any questions, I'm always available on LinkedIn. You can ask me whatever you can.
Okay, that's so nice of you. So, okay, guys, let's end this video here. Do let me know in comments which profile you want me to know about next. So, if you like the video, then please like the video. Please subscribe for more such useful content. Thanks for watching.